Hello loves, so I apologize ahead of time. I am outside filming this voiceover right now, but here is the Sky Elite Octa tablet. I am unboxing that right now, opening that up, and then what I'm going to do, I am going to log in for the customer, and I am going to try to download them a texting and calling app. So right now it's just turning on. You just turn on the button on the side like an Android. Now it says hi there. You're going to go ahead and just click start. Then you set up offline. Okay, so you press set up offline, continue. Once that is all completed, just click next, and then more, accept, and then put in your 4-digit PIN. I just put in a bunch of numbers here. So you're gonna just try to put in a 4-digit PIN. You can make up a PIN. If not, it's gonna be 1111. Okay. So right now, you're gonna make sure that 4G is on. You're gonna go ahead and go to that little thing, the blue part that's gonna take you to your settings to get you finished setting up. So do not click the connect to Wi-Fi like I did. Go back, you'll see that it says use mobile data, so make sure you click use mobile data. Then click the blue arrow, and then go ahead and click start. Once that is all completed, it's just going to load here. Then you're going to go ahead and click either next or don't copy. That's up to you. For the customer's purposes, right here I just clicked don't copy. So I'm covering up the email for the customer, so you're just going to go ahead and log into your Gmail account like you normally would on your phone. Once you are all logged into your Gmail account, so sometimes it does take a little bit to load. So you're going to go ahead and click more at the bottom once that gets done loading, and click turn on, or the other option. That's totally up to you. Again, right here, you can turn that on for the voice, or you can kick that off. For the customer's purposes, I just put everything off. I didn't really activate her Google services. So we're going to go ahead and click no thanks. She can do that all on her own. Now we are officially online. Now we have to remember this is built-in Wi-Fi for the whole year, okay? So you get built-in Wi-Fi for 12 months after the tablet has been activated. Now we're gonna go ahead and go to our Google Play Store and download a texting/calling app. All you have to do is just type in text or call or /call, and you'll find any app and just download that here. So I do appreciate you watching this whole video in entirety. I hope that this helped you. And yeah, as always, you are important and so are your dreams. So stay true to yourselves and stay blessed, loves. Please give me a thumbs up if this was helpful, and share the video as well as subscribe. So I'll go ahead and let you guys go. You have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.
You made it through my whole video. Thanks so much. I appreciate you. And you want to know what? If you like the video, just go ahead and just put that thumb up, push that button, make it turn blue. If you want to subscribe to see more videos like this, then go ahead and subscribe. You want to know why? Because it's very hard to pee. when you're wearing a onesie. But as always, you're important, so your dreams. So stay true to yourself and say bless, love. I love you. You're beautiful. You're great. Go out here and show the world what you are made of. I'm out. Peace.